Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to use YouTube's Collab feature, a quick and easy way to create side-by-side reaction videos, or add your own commentary to existing content right from your phone. To get started, open the YouTube mobile app and find a video or short you want to collaborate on. Once the video is playing, look for the Remix button located just below the video player. Tap Remix, and from the menu that pops up, select Collab. Next, you will be brought to a timeline editor. Use the sliders to choose the exact segment of the original video you want to use. When you are satisfied with your selection, tap the check mark to confirm. Now it is time to record your part. Your camera will open up alongside the video segment you just chose. You can adjust your screen layout, set a recording timer, or add visual effects. Hit the red record button and capture your reaction or commentary as the original video plays next to you. After you finish recording, preview the clip to make sure your audio and visuals line up perfectly. You can make final edits here, like adding text or filters before moving on. Finally, enter your upload details, add a catchy title, include your tags, and publish it directly to your channel. That is all it takes to leverage the collab feature and boost your audience engagement. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. See you in the next video.